How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to this new episode of Restorations with Vic. Before we get started in today's restoration, I gotta let you guys know that I have crazy allergies right now. It's that time of the year for me. I'm tired, I have congestion, so bear with me. So what we're gonna be working on today are these Air Jordan 2 Chromes from 2010. As Mr. Reshoevn8r would say, these things are super thrashed. We're gonna go in using Reshoevn8r products and bring the shoe back to life by giving it a good proper deep clean and setting out. We're also gonna go in and remove the yellowing off the soles, repaint the midsoles, remove the creasing off the toe boxes, and bring the suede back to life. We got some work ahead of us, guys, so let's get started. Okay, so for before and after purposes, we're gonna go ahead and put this shoe to the side and work on our left shoe. Before we can do anything else, we gotta remove our shoelaces. Now we're gonna wanna grab our Reshoevn8r adjustable Reshoevn8r shoe tree and adjust it to size. Laces are out, shoe tree's in. Now let's grab our 4-ounce bottle of solution and squirt 2 squirts. Alright, so we're good to go with that. For this cleaning, we're going to be using Reshoevn8r's 3-brush advanced angular system, as well as our detergent and brass bristle brush. First things first, we're going to grab our saw bristle brush, dunk it in solution, and start hitting the uppers. Alright, so the best way to brush a shoe is brushing it in a circular motion. Alright guys, so the uppers look really good. Black is super easy to clean up, especially this material. Anything that I might have missed, the washing machine will take care for me. Now let's move on, using the exact same brush, onto the sock liners. These sock liners are super dirty. Hopefully you can bring back some of the whiteness. Alright guys, uppers look good. They look pretty clean overall. I hit everything I could possibly hit on the uppers with the saw bristle brush. We're not going to be using our medium bristle brush. It doesn't need it on the shoe. There's no leather. Uppers are taken care of. The only brushes we're going to be using for this cleaning are the saw bristle brush, the stiff, and brass. So with that being said, let's move on to our next brush, which is our stiff bristle brush. We'll use this brush to clean up the soles. Grab the wrong brush. Bottoms look good. Let's move on to our last brush, which is our brass bristle brush. We'll use this brush to finish cleaning up the soles on the sides. Alright guys, pre-treatment's done. Next step we gotta do is put them in the laundry bag and put them in the washing machine. Time for the washing machine, guys. Let's go ahead and put this thing inside. Put a nice full ounce of a Reshoevn8r detergent. Put it on top of the shoe and adjust our settings. Alright, so whenever you're washing a shoe in the washing machine, you're going to want to use cold water with the regular cycle. Alright guys, we are back. Shoe is fully dried and clean. Let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, we got the grime and dirt completely off the uppers. Sock liners look good, fully disinfected. 2 things I was worried about, one of them being the black suede bleeding onto the white sock liner. Luckily that didn't happen. The sock liner is white and good to go. Another concern I had was separation. The shoe is really brittle in some areas. Luckily, it didn't happen as well. So we're gonna move on to removing the yellowing off these soles. We're gonna be using Salon Care 40 Saran Wrap to do so. I do not have my indoor setup here at Quinn's house, so we'll be using the power of the sun. Alright guys, we got the yellowing out the soles thanks to the sun. Now let's move on to some prep work. We're going to tape around the midsoles and this plastic piece so we can fix the scratching all over the plastic and repaint the midsoles. All taped up, now let's lay down some flat black paint using an angular brush. Midsoles are fully repainted, the black is back to black. Now what we've got to do to protect this paint job is go outside and spray with some Krylon matte finish. While we're out there, we're also going to spray it on this plastic piece to cover up all the scuffs and scratches all over it. Let's do it. Alright guys, this restoration is almost done. We got it laced up, it's looking really good. The last step we gotta do is go outside and spray it with some Reshoevn8r Almighty mink oil. What this stuff's gonna do is bring back the color of the black suede. Right now it's super faded. We're gonna spray it a few times and then brush it in using a soft bristle brush. Let's do it. Alright YouTube, that is going to bring us to an end on this full restoration on these 2010 Chrome 2s. These shoes were completely thrashed. We went in, gave them a proper deep clean inside and out using Reshoevn8r's 3-brush advanced detail laundry system, cleaned them inside and out, got the sock liners back to white, got the uppers fully cleaned up. They were super dirty and they were super grimy. Once the cleaning was all done guys, we went outside and removed the yellowing using the sun and some Salon Care 40, got the soles from yellow back to white. We repainted the midsoles, super easy. Black is really easy to repaint. We also went ahead and took care of all the scuffs and scratches that were on the back plastic piece. We also went in using our mink oil and got the black suede back to black. That's going to be it for this restoration guys. You can find all our products you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Use my promo code in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're almost to 1 million subscribers. Once we hit that 1 milli, we're going to give away something huge. So, subscribe and like. This is Vick Almighty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next Monday.